Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are taking a traditional kids project, making bowls out of yarn, and turning it into an adult project, making bowls out of yarn. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this project, and leave me a comment if you have a question, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some bowls out of yarn. Traditionally, this project is only made with glue and yarn, but since we use the resin, now they're sturdy enough to fill them with all kinds of things. Everything from tangerines to lemons. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.